Welcome to the land of the pharaohs, where ancient secrets and mysteries await. Join us on a journey through the history of Egypt's pyramids. The pyramid era began around 2600 BC, starting with the step pyramid built by Pharaoh Djoser and architect Imhotep. The step pyramid was a series of 6 mastabas, a precursor to smooth-sided pyramids that followed. The most famous pyramids are the 3 Great Pyramids of Giza. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, stands 481 feet tall. The second pyramid is Khafre at 446 feet, and the smallest is Menkaure at 218 feet, showcasing extraordinary ancient engineering. The construction of these massive structures involved thousands of skilled laborers and a labor-intensive process. Ancient Egyptians used limestone and granite blocks, some weighing 2.5 tons, transported by ramps and pulleys. Pyramids served as tombs for pharaohs, representing their journey to the afterlife and aligning with the sun god Ra's path. The pyramid era declined around 1700 BC, with pharaohs shifting focus to other architectural projects. The last pyramid built was the Pyramid of Ahmose around 1570 BC, marking a shift to the Valley of the Kings for tombs. Rediscovered by European explorers in the 18th century, the pyramids captured global interest once again. The famous explorer Howard Weiss helped uncover the identities of the pharaohs who built these majestic pyramids. That's it for our journey through Egypt's pyramids. From construction to discovery, these wonders captivate us.